Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you 5 settings you should change in Windows 10. The first is unhide file extensions. By default, Windows hides the .doc or .jpeg or .exe suffix that appears at the end of the file names. To make file extensions visible again, enter file extensions in the Cortana search box. Click Show or Hide File Extensions and then uncheck Hide Extension for known file types. The second is Disable User Account Control. Windows User Account Control gives you an aggressive warning every time you want to install software or change a key system setting. To disable UAC, type User Account Control in the Cortana search box. Click Change User Account Setting and then move the slider down to Never Notify. Number 3 is Protect Your Privacy. By default, Windows 10 shares a lot of data with Microsoft. Fortunately, by changing a few settings, you can keep at least some of your information out of the software giant's hands. Navigate to Settings, Privacy, and toggle all the settings to off. These currently include 4 options. Let's app use advertising ID, let's website provide locally relative content, let Windows track app activities, and show me suggested contents. Number 4 is Enable Storage Sense to save space. Windows 10 has an optional feature called Storage Sense, which automatically deletes temporary files that you don't need. To enable Storage Sense, navigate to Settings, System, and then to Storage. And then click Storage Sense. Change how we free up space automatically. Number 5 is Switch Default Browser. To change your default browser, make sure you have the new browser installed. Search for default apps in Cortana search box and click the top result. Scroll down to Web Browser. Click the Edge icon and choose the browser you want to use. That brings up the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.